went to Target and did another round of diapers, pull-ups and wipes. Our plan is to potty train Kjell, and he will hopefully need less diapers and pull-ups soon.
Alright, let's go!
Stocked up on diapers for more than 2 years. Now we want to find a place for it on Nomad. We're gonna switch Ida to cloth diapers, at least for half the amount of needed diapers. That way, we reduce disposable diapers and stinky trash on board. So in here are around 1400 diapers and thousands of wipes.
I have just presented at a large CAR-T conference here in Boston, and that officially marks the end of me wearing a suit. I won't need it anymore, and now trash can! Woohoo! I'm at the Newport Boat Show today for some last-minute shopping for our sailing adventure, which starts in 2 weeks. We first of all need a dinghy, because we're planning to mainly anchor out and otherwise we would have to swim on land. But also other things like a new life raft, some halyards and the like. So let's see, I'm hoping I'm gonna get lucky. The babies stay on our Beneteau. That practically cuts our foredeck in half, made finding a dinghy a little challenging. We want a rigid hull, so we can beach the dinghy over and over again without having to worry about holes on the bottom. We want to be able to store the dinghy on deck, and it should fit 4 people. We really like the Cadet Rib Aluminum 270, weighing only 75 pounds. It also has a very deep bilge. But even it's just a little over 8 feet, it won't fit on the bow without covering the anchor locker. We may have to deflate it for storage.
Around here. 30, what do you think, 34?
You're saying we can take about 2 feet off, right? If it's deflated?
It seems to me that way.
That means it would be 6 feet and would fit.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was very helpful. I'm very happy that we got this thing sorted out today. You're going to have a good time.
So this was really successful. I just bought the dinghy. They got the one that we wanted from Skip, and it's even better because they're gonna ship it to us. I don't have to carry it. He'll take care of everything for me, and this is perfect. I hope the gay keeps on going like this, and the next thing is either the life raft or the outboard engine. What we gotta decide is whether we want an electrical outboard or a other one. There's huge differences in price and weight and whatever, but I wanted to clarify this with you right now. After long consideration, Zina and I decided to go for a gasoline outboard instead of an electrical one, and so I just bought one at the boat show and going to pick it up from their warehouse now. So dinghy is complete.
I tend to the electrical outboard motor, since I always had my problems with starting the other one. Also, the weight and the maintenance of the engine is much more extensive than just charging a battery. But at the end we agreed that our solar and wind resources don't generate enough power for charging the battery regularly. Also, the price of the electrical outboarder would have tickled our budget even more.
I come bearing toilets.
We needed a new lid and a new pump, and we decided to get the whole package because it's only $15 more. Everything is new now.
I'm just hoping that I won't have to bathe in shit again, like when I did remove the holding tank in our now storage locker. So, a little afraid. But hey, what can you do, huh? This one does look really, really shitty. Okay, kids, things can get really ugly now, so please step out, okay?
Okay.
Please step out. There might be a lot of poop coming out of this toilet.
Okay.
Okay, can you go there, please?
No.
No?
I don't want to go.
Okay, but they might be really dirty.
No.
You want to swim in poop?
No.
Exactly.
No.
Exactly, nobody wants to swim in poop, right?
To the toilet.
How's it going in there?
Ah, last steps. I'll show you when I'm done, but this looks so much better, doesn't it?
It looks like our new luxury bathroom.
Ida doesn't feel like that, I guess. I had my last day at work today. We had a great farewell celebration there. It was a bit emotional saying goodbye after 15 years. Many of the employees I've hired myself, many people I've developed very close relationship with. So, and actually I haven't realized yet that I won't be going back to work on Monday. It doesn't even feel like I left for vacation, but I'm leaving for sabbatical. I don't know. I'll probably need a few days to actually realize what's going on there. I'm very excited now for the next chapter in life.
We've been here now for 4.5 years. A few things turned out much differently than at least I planned. Surprisingly, I didn't get a job first, I got pregnant. and then I got pregnant again. So I learned a lot about boats, a lot about our boat, about refit. And I'm truly looking forward to our new challenge, which is spending 24/7. I don't remember when we had that the last time. And yeah, but I'm also looking forward to real family quality time. I don't say that very often, I probably never said that before, but I'm kind of proud of us. So we met, within the last 2 years, we managed to have 2 little kids, prepping the boat by ourselves. We want to say thank you to you. I was a bit like when I read it this year actually. The last. I just picked up around about $1,000 worth of spare parts. We have a spare alternator, a spare starter motor, a lot of oil filters and all that stuff. So we have 2 more days to go. We want to leave the day after tomorrow. And there are still things to stock up on.
Ooh. Okay, and then let's loosely plan to potentially leave Friday, and then overnight to Atlantic City. The gusts are pretty heavy right now, 37 knots. We're not gonna go out with 37 knots in gusts, but maybe this will calm down.
Okay.
Because on Saturday, Sunday there is no wind whatsoever, and then we will have to motor. Do you want to sail around the world?
Boat.
With our boat?
Yeah.
Leave on Thursday.
Thursday, 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
to Atlantic Highlands.
Yeah.
Nice!
Wanna sail around the world and leave on Thursday?
We'd love to take you on our sailing adventure and the next chapter in our lives. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when our story continues weekly on Grow Sailing.